welcome back to the channel. Today is currently July 1st. My mom just came over, picked up Isabella. She was out in the area anyways. There was like this huge barn sale. I'm gonna show you guys like a clip. There was so many crazy antique things that we found that I was like, oh my god, my mom's going to love this stuff. She just bought a farmhouse and she loves DIYs and flipping, as do I. So I was like, oh my god, she would totally get a kick out of this stuff. That's why she came out this way. My mom has this like annual 4th of July party. Also, I was gonna put you guys onto this top. Not a top. You guys, literally, this is a skirt, believe it or not. And it's from Shein. There's like a halter top that comes with it, but nothing fits my belly. You know what? It's gonna have to work. Literally, I was gonna ask you guys. Never had this before, but like my underarms are getting darker. I never tried the trick with, I think it's baking soda and lemon. What do you guys think? Have you tried anything like that before to lighten that area? Like, does it work? What works for you? Like, let me know down below, because the method that I've always used to shave was shave the direction of where the hair is growing, and then right after you do that, shave in the opposite direction. Because if you just immediately shave in the opposite direction, what I thought was you're gonna get dark underarms. So I never had that problem up until recently. So I don't know. Currently 34 weeks pregnant in a couple days. Baby boy is coming soon. Even talking, I'm like out of breath. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble too long. I'm gonna see you guys. I'm gonna check back in probably when we get to my mom's. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my mother. Oh my goodness. Hello, it's been a couple days since the 4th of July party, and it was a pretty rainy, bleh kind of day, the day following after 4th of July. So I wanted to pick this vlog up the following weekend. That's where we're at. I wanted to show you guys a part of my nesting experience of cleaning up, just getting everything kind of ready. So I wanted to gut out the fridge. We had to do a major grocery haul, literally restock. We got a good amount, so I wanted to show you guys sort of like along the lines of what we would normally get, because these are like our essentials, sort of.
So we got some apples, taking over for Destiny for a little bit. She's cooking. Cucumbers, onion, limes, avocados, potatoes. We got our ice cream, so Destiny has a favorite, I have a favorite. Feta cheese, sour cream, eggs.
We've got Olippops. These are probiotic pops. If you don't know, you gotta try these because they're the alternative to pop and it's healthier for you. All of this stuff is good for about maybe like 2.5-ish weeks. I'm pretty good about making it stretch, but sometimes it really depends. We started off with 1, 2, 3, 4 meats, some imitation crab. Gabriel doesn't like any seafood, so that's really like me and Isabella kind of thing, like making poke bowls and all those kinds of stuff. I needed my fix of pickles. These specific tortillas, because they are never in stock when we go to the store, so I grabbed 3 of these. As long as you freeze them, that's okay. Also, same thing with the breads. More eggs. I like to usually go to like Sam's Club and we'll get like that huge like 5-pound bag of cheese, and this is what I do is I separate them into these.
That's still from not even key, probably 3 or 4 months ago.
Yeah, that cheese actually lasts a while too. I have to check on the date. I'll put it up here how good cheese will last in the freezer. 2, 4, 6, Yeah, but this will come out to like 8-ish bags when get that huge bag. This one I just needed quesadilla cheese specifically. Don't come at me for all the different cheeses because it's an Italian thing. They're specifically for certain things. So mozzarella pearls, and if you know, you know, the snack combo with these two.
Yeah, those Mexicans, they don't look good.
Spinach. 3 bags because you get less of it once you cook it. So we got some snacks. I didn't go and get like healthy snacks. Usually you'll see that in our groceries is maybe like some granola bars or like healthy alternative snacks, because these we just have these snacks for now. Got a good amount of canned goods, some pastas because we already have pasta, so sneak peek right up there. We have like 3 or 4 boxes. This is the overview. Now I gotta clean everything out, put everything in its spot. And so go ahead and watch that little B-roll.